Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer iMessage history to a new iPhone using iCloud backup, detailed guide step by step clearly. To transfer your iMessage history to a new iPhone using iCloud backup, start by ensuring that both your old and new iPhones are up. On your old iPhone, open the Settings app. Tap on your name at the top of the screen to access your Apple ID settings. Select iCloud from the list of options. Scroll down and ensure that iMessage is toggled on. Next, scroll to the bottom and tap on iCloud Backup. Make sure iCloud Backup is enabled. Tap Backup now to create a new backup of your data, including your iMessage history. Wait for the backup process to complete. Once finished, you can proceed to your new iPhone. Turn on your new iPhone and follow the on-screen setup instructions. When prompted, choose Restore from iCloud Backup. Sign in to your Apple ID that you used on your old iPhone. Select the most recent backup from the list, which contains your iMessage data. The restoration process will begin. This may take some time depending on the size of the backup and your internet connection speed. Once the restoration is complete, your new iPhone will restart. You can now open the Messages app to view your transferred iMessage history. Make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi connection during the entire process to avoid interruptions. Your iMessage conversations should now be available on your new device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.